Dear student, we are studying general science and today's topic is question from dimension analysis. Convert 1 Newton to dyne. This is the question from unit and measurement chapter. So, question asks convert 1 Newton to dyne. So, how it will convert Newton to dyne? Solve it. Take 1 Newton. So, 1 Newton is equal to kg meter per second square. Then its dimension formula will be ml t power minus 2. Its dimension formula, because its SI unit is kg meter per second square. So its dimension formula will be ml t power minus 2. It will convert by the formula of unit conversion, n1 u1 equals to n2 u2. So here 1 Newton equals to 1 kg meter per second square. Then here 1 is n1. n1 equals to 1 and m1 is kg, because m is dimensions of kg. Then L1 equals to meter m and T1 equals to s second. So this will form U1. This three term form U1. So U1 will be m1 power 1, L1 power 1 and T1 power minus 2. So we calculated N1 and U1. Now the Newton convert to dyne. So dyne equals to gram cm per second square. It is the dyne, gram cm per second square. So we have to find N2. So N2 equals to watt. Then M2 equals to gram, L2 equals to cm and T2 equals to second. So S, T2 equals to S, and these three terms form U2. So U2 will be U2 equals to M2 power 1, L2 power 1 and T2 power minus 2. So this is the form of U2. Now when we put the value N1, N2, N1, U1, U2 in the equation of N1, U1 and N2, U2, by the convergence of unit, N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. So we found already N1 U1 and U2. So put this value in this equation, we find the N2. Now N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. Therefore N2 equals to N1 into U2 by U1, and N2 equals to N1 into U1 by U2. Now put the value in this equation. Therefore N2 equals to N1 is 1. So you can put after some time. So N1 into M1 by M2 power 1 into L1 by L2 power 1 and T1 by T2 power minus 2. We put in the form of power. Here N1 equals to 1. M1 by M2 equals to, M1 is kg. kg by m2 equals to gram. So kg by gram power 1 into L1 is equal to meter by cm. L2 equals to cm. So meter by cm power 1. T1 is second. So second is 1 second. So second by second power minus 2 equals to kg when converted to gram. So it will be 10 to the power 3 gram by gram power of 1 into when meter will converted into cm. So 10 to the power 2 cm by cm power of 1 and 1 power of minus 2. Gram and cm cancel to each other. Then remaining term is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2 is equals to 10 to the power 5. So we calculated the value of N2 is 10 to the power 5. Therefore N1 equals to 1 Newton equals to, therefore 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. So the question asked convert 1 Newton to dyne. So converted 1 Newton to dyne, it will be 10 to the power 5 dyne. So today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.